Are you thinking about switching health insurance companies? Really? It's not that big of a deal. People tend to get stuck with their individual health insurance policies. They go and they purchase it directly through a company, or they purchase it through an online marketplace, and they just set it and they forget it. They keep paying the bill, they keep getting yearly increases, but yet they really don't do anything about it. The biggest thing to keep in mind is that it is okay to switch your health insurance company on a yearly basis, if that's what is going to work for you. There's nothing that's going to prevent you from jumping from one company to another each time you receive a rate that isn't to your satisfaction. The only thing that is going to happen if you do become overly complacent with your health insurance is that you are eventually going to end up paying more for that health insurance than you would otherwise if you were to shop it around every year. The people that currently work with an independent insurance agent like myself who provide yearly renewal evaluations are already aware of the immense value of such a service. When you don't shop your health insurance every year come renewal time, you're going to eventually be overpaying for that plan. The only drawback to switching health insurance companies is the time that it's going to take you to fill out an application. That's really the major time commitment on your end as far as making a switch. The one thing that might be stopping you, the two little dirty words of medical underwriting, or maybe more commonly known as pre-existing conditions. These are the reasons that people cannot switch from company to company sometimes. At least until 2014, health insurance companies do reserve the right to deny you coverage due to your medical history. Again, if you're working with that independent insurance agent, he'll know if it's even something that you should be considering on a yearly basis. If you just purchased your plan online or directly through a company, all they're going to do is either not paying any attention to you at all, or they're just going to keep pumping their specific plans to you and not let you know that there is another company out there that might have a better rate. One thing that you will never, ever, 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 ever do, I mean ever, is never cancel an existing insurance policy until you've received written approval from the new company that you are attempting to seek coverage from. Don't do it. I swear, I promise. Please do not do it. Don't do it. What that means is if you were to cancel a policy before you had written approval from another, you do open yourself up to potentially not have any coverage. If the company that you're trying to seek coverage with determines that you are uninsurable and you cancel your existing plan, chances are something in your medical history has changed from when you first applied for that original plan that may prevent you from getting insurance moving forward. Again, not going to be a huge deal moving forward to 2014 since all plans will be guaranteed issue at that point, and they will have to accept you regardless of your medical conditions. So there you go. Hopefully maybe some of your fears have been eased. Switching health insurance companies, not a huge deal, unless you do have a medical condition that might prevent you from doing so. So guess what? Now that you know, you have some information, what do you think? Are you going to maybe look to switch companies more often? Are you going to try and work with somebody who will evaluate your health insurance on a regular basis? Just a couple questions to think about. So again, there is a blog post on jingoleinsurance.com, which is in the description of this video, right below there. So feel free, get on over there to read up a little bit more on that. Always welcome to email me, joey@jingoleinsurance.com, for any insurance questions, concerns, inquiries, whatever. Feel free to get in touch with me. So as always, I am Joey Giangola with Giangola Insurance Agency. Take it easy, everyone.